Hi guys, welcome back. This is Great-OLA and this is our third video in the WhatsApp AI training series. In this video, I want to show you how you can use JSON file to train your WhatsApp AI. JSON is actually a code file, but we are not going to write it yourself. I'm going to provide that code file for you. All what you need to do is to edit it to your own, and you're not editing the code. You are just going to edit the content, the services, the contact address, and so on. In fact, that is all what this video is about. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to edit the template, because the template is going to be provided for you. So all you need to do is to edit it to your own. So let's go in and do that right now. So after the edition, I'm going to show you where you are going to put it to make it work perfectly. Let's do that now. So this is my JSON file. So this is the template I'm talking about. You can see the structure. You can see where we have services. So the services are this file has many services. So one of the services is WhatsApp AI training. So this WhatsApp AI training, you can edit it, and make sure when you are editing, whatever you want to input is between the quotes. You can see the quotes at the beginning and at the end of every content of this file. So I'm going to edit this. This is actually what you are going to do. So we are trying to edit this now. So you want to put in your own training, your own services rather. So your service 1. So I just use your service 1 as the name of your service. You get that? So this is what you need to do. I'm trying to do it here, and you can see this is link. So let's say you have a link to that service, maybe a landing page or a website. So you are just going to get the address of that landing page, the link, just copy it and you paste it here. So make sure you have it between the quotes. You can see this one is between the quotes. And let's say you don't have any link to your service. It's not something online that you have a link for. You can just erase this. So if you want to erase this one, just make sure you erase from the quote. You can see where I start. So you erase like this. So this is for people that don't have their service landing page. So you just erase it like this. You can see. So I don't have anything like link again. So let's continue the edition. So let's say you have another service, and this will be for that second services. So your services 2. Don't forget, these are just a sample. You are going to input the name of your service exactly. You can see at the left hand side we have name, which means at the right hand side you are going to input the exact name, just like what I edit now. So here we have services. If you are selling product, not services, you can erase the services and there you put product. You understand? Then you have name, and in front of name, instead of your service, instead of the name of the service, you write the name of your product. So that is how to edit this template. I'm trying to make it very simple to those of us that we are not used to coding. Okay, so this is the link now to the second service. Let's say you have the link to this service, maybe a website or landing page. You put the link there. Then after you have done with all your services and products, you come down to contact. So under the contact, you see we have WhatsApp, and this is the link to my WhatsApp. So you remove that and put your own. Just click on that and paste your own. So this is for YouTube. So you remove this and you put your own YouTube link if you have YouTube. If you don't have, you can just erase it. You can just erase it like I did for the link above. Okay, so let's go down. This is for my TikTok, and at the right hand side I have my link, TikTok link. Then we have bank details. So inside the curly brace for bank details, we have account number. Then in front of it, you are going to input your account number here. So you erase this and you put your account number. Then the bank name, you erase that and you put your bank name. Then the account name, so you erase this and you put your account name. So this is how to edit this template. So this is how to edit it. Make sure you do the correct thing and make sure you don't change what you are not supposed to change. I believe you can see all what I'm changing. That is what you need to change, please and please. So whatever you are having, make sure they are between the quotes. Whatever you are writing must be inside the quotes. So this file contains data services section. Then it contains bank details as well as contact. So now we are going to copy from this curly brace above to this curly brace down. If you notice, that is the bracket that encloses everything. So I'm going to copy everything. So because I'm going to go and paste it where we are going to use it. So just watch. I'm going to copy this. Copy everything. Make sure you copy everything. So right now we are going into the autoresponder. So I just copy this and make sure everything is copied. Please and please don't leave anything out. So let's go to our autoresponder, and inside our autoresponder, you know, I have many rules now, but the rule where I have my OpenAI connected is just one. So it is the rule where I have AIA. So if you've watched the first and second video, you will understand that. So this is where I have my OpenAI. All other rule, I don't have my OpenAI connected. So I'm going into that rule now. Please, if you've not watched the previous video, go and watch so that you will understand what we are doing here. If you've not watched the previous video, you will not understand this. So I'm going into this rule now. So just click on it. And when you have this, don't forget, let me scroll up. Don't forget, this is where we start. So I believe you understand this interface already. So I'm going in here. That's our sub rule. And don't forget, we have two. So this is the first one. So I'm going to scroll up. So you see we have our OpenAI connected here. So it must be connected like this. So don't forget that file that we just copied. We want to use it for AI. We want to use this for our AI. And if you remember all these messages, I told you we have it because we are connected to AI. So I mentioned that in the last video. Please watch it. Okay, so here is where we are going to provide those information we copied earlier. I mean our JSON file. I don't want to be mentioning JSON so that it will not sound confusing to most people that don't use to coding. Yeah, so those data that we just edit, those data that we just copy. So this is where we want to paste it. You can see where we have two, then column. Where I have my cursor now, at this place, you can see my pointer. So that is where I'm going to paste the data. So just long press, then you click on paste. Yes, you can see the curly brace at the beginning, then the same curly brace is at the end. At the beginning and at the end, you can see we have curly brace, which means everything is complete. So this data are going to provide more details about our services, our contacts, about our brand, everything about our business. It's going to provide those information to AI here. You can see this is our AI. I believe you understand that. So this is a good training for our AI, so that whenever they are chatting us and they are asking about our services, the AI can provide the services to them. Now I just click on save, then I found myself outside here again. So we are going inside again, and let me scroll up and show you what we just pasted. This is what we just pasted now. Okay, and don't forget we are inside the first sub rule, and this is the second one. So we are going inside this one again. Okay, and don't forget we are having our AI connected here as well, and that's why we need to come here to provide that same data to this AI here as well. So just long press and paste it. So I believe we can see what I'm doing. It's very, very simple, and this is the last. You can see that. So just click on save, and you click on save again, then save again, and right now the training is completed, and our AI now have enough information which it can use to communicate with our prospects on WhatsApp. And in the next video I will show you how you can update those information. Now let's test the rule. So we are going to test our rules. So let me just say hi, because I have a rule that whenever I receive hi, this should show. Okay, so when the person read this message and follow up with the instruction, the person will reply with AIA, and this message will follow up. I believe we all know this. So if you've watched the first and second video in this series, you understand this message. Now any message sent now is going to be replied by our AI. Yes, if you've not watched the first and second video, go and watch it. It will show you how we got here. Now, can I get link to your which one should I ask? YouTube, yes. So can I get link to your YouTube? You know, this message now is now sent to AI, and see the response. Certainly, here is the link to Great-OLA YouTube channel, and you can see the link. This is exactly my link. So how does our AI aware of this link? It's because of the data that we just provided. So the AI look into our settings. That means we've trained our AI and is now aware of our YouTube. So whenever someone is chatting you, anything that related to the training that you provided, this is how it's going to reply to them. You can see that this is awesome. This is good enough. And don't worry, you can add to the training. Yes, not just what I have on the template, you can add to the training. So in the next video, I will show you how you can actually add to the training. Let's say you have any additional information that you want your AI to be aware and is not being provided in the template. So how can you add to this template? That is what the next video is going to be about. See you soon. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click the bell icon to get alert when I post the next video. Thank you.